The purpose of this tutorial is to demonstrate how to run the weekly employee time clock reports. It is assumed you have reviewed the individual employee time clock information to assure that it is correct. If you don't know how to review the tutorial vid changing employee time clock information in the folder vid tutorials folder on drive C of station 1, we'll show you how. To run this program, go to the following: run management summary reports, enter code if required, weekly, edit, run weekly time clock summary. At this point, you'll put in the first and last dates of the period you want to cover. We're going to run the report from 11/12/2011 to 11/18/2011. 11/12, I click on it and I double click here. That puts the start date in. 11/18. So this report will cover and include 11/12 to 11/18. Click here. Click OK. The first pages will provide you detailed information about each of your employees. The last page or two will show one line for each employee, breaking down their hours into admin, kitchen, bar, floor, miscellaneous. The total cash and charge tips is a feature that is not yet in the system. This is the page that you want to provide to whoever does your payroll. At this point in time, you can print all or any of the pages using the print icon. After that, return to the main menu. At this point in time, you have a choice of deleting all the information in the employee time files. Remember what I just said. It gets rid of all the information. Therefore, if you normally run your reports on Sunday night but forgot to and did it on Wednesday, if you delete everything, it will get rid of Monday and Tuesday. If you've been late in getting the report, I'd advise you to say no, you want to review this information again. If you are running on a normal schedule, you'll say yes, and you'll clean out the time clock information for the next week. In this demo, I am going to say no. Thank you very much.